when I was in the plane, right? When I was in the plane and the plane was like the turbulation, right? And when the plane had like the turbulation, and then I was, by the time the turbulation starts, I was like doing pressing the monitor, right? Yeah, and then Zeta was right beside me, right? And then I was like pressing the monitor, and then I don't know what I pressed, but I accidentally changed the language to French, and then like it was like and then I say to Zeta, Zeta, jadi bahasa Prancis ini. I tried to look at her monitor and then tried to find where is the language settings. But yeah. Nice.